Good morning, my dear children. Today, let's learn an important chapter which gives us an excellent message. And the name of the chapter is It's Only a Matter of Practice. Long, long ago, in far away China, there lived an archer called Chan Yaozi. Now, my dear children, the meaning of archer is someone who shoots arrows from a bow. He was a very skilled archer and could perform wonderful feats of archery. He could hit the target precisely at the center, even when it was placed at a very long distance. The meaning of precisely is exactly. He liked to show off his skill to the admiring crowds that gathered around him. The crowd gathered and enjoyed the skill of Chan Yaozi. One day, he was practicing his skill in front of many admirers when he noticed an old man standing. The old man was only observing Chan Yaozi. The old man was carrying gourds of oil that were hanging from a long cane on his shoulder. He was an oil seller. All the other people were clapping their hands and praising Chan Yaozi. But this old man was very quiet. He neither clapped nor uttered words of praise. The meaning of uttered is said. He just stood there nodding his head and said, "It's just a matter of practice." Chan Yaozi was annoyed. He asked the old man, "Are you an archer yourself? Do you think anyone can do what I can do with my bow and arrows?" "No, sir," the old man replied. "I am not an archer, and I don't doubt your skill. All I said was, everything's a matter of practice." Chan Yaozi, listening to the old man, got very angry. "What do you know that you pass such thoughtless comments on other people? Who are you?" "Please don't get angry, sir. I am an oil seller," the old man replied to Chan Yaozi, "as you must have guessed from the gourds. Every day I fill these gourds with oil and sell them. Over the years, I have achieved some skill in filling the gourds. If you allow, I'll show it to you." Growled Chan Yaozi. Everybody was curious to see what would happen next. Patiently, the old man set down an empty gourd on the ground. Then he put a small coin on the mouth of the gourd. In those days, small coins had a little hole at the center. Then the old man stood up, took some oil in his ladle and began to pour oil into the gourd from a height. My dear children, you can observe the picture. The oil went straight into the gourd through the hole in the coin. When the old man had finished filling up the gourd, he lifted up the coin. Not a trace of oil could be seen on it. The people watching it were speechless with wonder. But the old man only smiled and said, "As I said, there's nothing special about it. It's only a matter of practice, you see." Chan Yaozi lost all his anger and annoyance because he had learned something from the old man. He just gave a short laugh and said, "You have taught me something very important today." After that, Chan Yaozi never showed off or boasted about his skill as an archer. My dear children, the message that we get from this lesson is, no matter how talented we are, we should never show off or boast about our talent. Now, my dear children, here are the meanings of the difficult words given in this chapter. You can read and go through the meanings. I hope, my dear children, you all have understood this lesson. Thank you.